Hey YouTubers, today we're gonna be installing PlatformIO extension into Visual Code IDE, so let's get going. Okay, first let's fire up Visual Studio Code. I'm using Ubuntu 18 and I've already installed Visual Studio Code, just slimmed down version of the whole Visual Studio that actually doesn't run Ubuntu anyways. So let's get going. Okay, let's go to the extensions section and then let's search for our platform IOIDE platform I is it? That's the one. Okay, platform I. By the way, just so you know, I'm using Visual Studio Code version 1.41.1 and will be installed in PlatformIO version 1.10.0. That's the latest one. Alrighty, so let's hit this tiny install button and let's come back. See you shortly. So we're back and we're back with an error. Let's have a look. Could not create PlatformIO core virtual environment. Please create manually. So it appears that my system doesn't have Python's virtual environment. Right. In that case, we need to install Python's virtual environment. Okay, let's open up the terminal. I don't have pip anyway, so okay. Let's install pip first. And we come back soon. And we are back. It took actually longer than expected. And alright, let's continue where we were. So far, I tried installing PlatformIO extension into Visual Studio Code, and then that gave us this error, which is at the bottom right. This one, that the system doesn't have the virtual core environment. So we went back into our shell, and then to install virtual environment, we needed the pip, and then I tried installing pip with this command, sudo apt install python pip. Took some time to download and install into the system, and then but we are back anyways with the pip, and then now we're gonna try. By the way, I'm using Python version 2.7, so if you're using Python version 3, you might use the command pip3. That's what I'm gonna use now. I think you're gonna need pip3 install virtual env. Okay, let's see how we go. I'm gonna pause the video here, and then I'm gonna come back very soon. Okay, so virtual environment has been installed on the system, and then now let's go back to our Visual Studio and then uninstall PlatformIO extension. Reload required, so we're gonna reload it, close it, open it again, go back to extensions, PlatformIO, deja vu, hit install again. Okay, this extension is enabled globally and it's installing the extension right now into Visual Studio Code. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video and come back again. Okay, congratulations and celebrations. We have successfully installed our PlatformIO extension into our Visual Studio Code IDE. Let's start coding. Thank you for watching.